Does it make sense to add personal umbrella insurance? While you're considering updating your policy for new drivers, you may want to consider adding additional protection through personal umbrella insurance. Sometimes known as excess liability or personal liability, umbrella insurance supplements your existing coverages by adding extended coverage. This adds extra protection in the event of an accident involving property damage or personal injury. With the increased risk of adding a new driver to your policy, having the additional coverage offered by umbrella insurance can be the best way to stay prepared for potential claims, both big and small. Keep in mind, it is best to obtain an umbrella policy before the driver becomes licensed, as some carriers may not write a new umbrella policy if there is an inexperienced driver in the household. If you'd like to learn more about umbrella insurance, check out the articles linked in the description of this video, or check out this video on everything you need to know about umbrella insurance. Here at Berry Insurance, we understand how nerve-wracking it can be to let your teen take the first steps of independence onto the open road. We have helped many families in our local community navigate these transitions through providing comprehensive coverage for a reasonable price. If you have any specific questions, we recommend you contact your insurance agent, or if you want to learn more, check out the Learning Center on our website. We have hundreds of articles and videos on a variety of insurance-related topics. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our YouTube channel. It helps us reach more people just like you. We post videos every week to help educate our viewers on the wide world of insurance. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.